How to stop seeing stories and posts on Instagram of someone else without them knowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually mute someone else's story and post so that you stop seeing them once and for all. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now let's say that there is a specific person on your following feed. You don't want to let them know that you unfollowed them. That is the why you're still keeping them, but it's just too annoying for you to view all of their posts and their stories. Well, in order to fix this, there is a very simple solution, and one is that, let's say if you don't want to view someone's story or their post, just open up their story first of all and then tap on the three dots from the top right hand side of the screen, and at the bottom of the screen you'll find the option called mute. You can just tap on the mute option. Now you basically have two options. One is to mute story or to mute story and post, and since we're learning to mute both of those stories and posts, you can just choose the option called mute stories and posts. Now if you would like to unmute them, you simply have to go to their profile page again. So basically you have to go to their profile page again, and then you'll find multiple options over here. You could basically tap on this following button, and then here you'll find the option called mute. Tap on it, and then here you can simply turn off the toggle next to this in order to unmute them. But this is one of the most simple ways to actually not get recommended their posts and stories. The other thing you can also try to do, which I don't recommend, which is only as a second option for you, is to try to restrict them. So when you tap on the three dots, you can tap on the restrict button. It will restrict your interactions with them, and as a result, you'll not be recommended their content on your Instagram feed. Hope this video helped you. That's all it takes to actually not get recommended and view someone else's stories and posts without them knowing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.